can I do? Okay, guys, so this is part 2. And there's currently this girl has a bomb on her back. Okay, everyone, calm down. Okay. Something sharp to cut the cable. We might be able to save geomains. Let's go. I found a pair of scissors. Which cable should I cut? I don't know. We haven't heard of the crew in a while, so it turns out that was the wrong wire. Guys. What? So, yeah, I'm just gonna. Yeah, girl, that's a good idea. I'm gonna check them out. This door needs a code. Hurry up and open it. Okay, guys, so, turns out the airport crew is unconscious. I'm not gonna show it to you guys, because, yeah. But, oh well, I guess I'll show it to you guys anyways. Oh my god. What? Wow. Afterlife. Oh, is there gonna be like a boss battle on this plane? Whoa! We need to find the autopilot. Let's click everything. I would never say that in real life. We have to check out the right button. Plus, there are not this many buttons on a plane, I'm pretty sure. Like, attached together. I found the button! Yeah, like, let's see. But yeah. On a crazy flight, I just want to be home already. Yeah, I came here for vacation, so yeah. Hello, we need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry. Yes, autopilot mode's on. Okay, we have traced your location and we are taking control. No, I'm not doing it. I'm saving the plane. Hey, we got good ending.